Today's date.
The 2nd.
Today's what?
April 2nd.
Of what?
April.
2024, right?
Yeah.
Ready in minutes.
Can you leave me alone?
Tofu scramble. The way I make it nowadays is the way I described in the other video I just recorded. If I had tomato in the house, which I haven't been getting in recently. It's good though. I was thinking about making my tofu scramble, the powdered mix that I add to the tofu here, extra firm tofu, and the same powdered mix that I use with a different amount of liquid ingredients afterwards for my vegan mac and cheese to be called a magic mix. Just add this and it turns into tofu scramble. Tofu scramble. It's the elbow macaroni. Extra firm tofu.
Yeah, put cream on your hand.
Within minutes. It's good. Very fast. But I didn't add, let's say, the shiitake mushroom, the spinach. I could have added spinach to it and stuff, but it would take a little bit longer to wilt. And I didn't have any in. I should get some in after noticing that how fast I can prep this now. I should get the whole leaf baby spinach I used to get, and even I may include some shallots later and sliced tomato or diced, and it all depends on the type of tofu scramble I'm making. I sometimes like to make the copycat version of, let's say, a frozen tofu scramble I get sometimes. And I like to, slice the tomato. It's just like the frozen boxed meal that I would get. The brands of the boxed meal that I would get with the sliced tomato and hash browns that are included, and spinach and mushrooms, zucchini pieces, is the brand is Amy's that I sometimes like to copycat.
I'm tired of hearing about stores.
So it's April 2nd, right, of 2024, is that correct?
Yes.